Hey, this is Sell This Now. Every day I'm looking for new products to sell. So here's my top winning products of the day. Our next product is an editor's choice. It's the emergency side bed gun holster. Now this is an obvious problem solver. It definitely has that wow effect. And recently with the pandemic, we've seen an increase in gun sales. It's an evergreen product. You can sell this item all year round, and it falls under the gun survival niche market. And targeting the US will work best for this product. And finally, we think that this product has a lot of untapped potential. So far there have been only a few orders on AliExpress, so you can definitely take advantage of this. And it will give you a good profit margin, and you can upsell their tactical flashlight with this product. Now the selling price for the emergency side bed gun holster is just under $35, whereas the product cost is only $9.29. Shipping will set you back $3.56, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $22.14. Sell this now! Our next product is the DEEPSLEEP sensory compression sheet. Now this is an obvious problem solver. It definitely has that wow effect, and you can sell this product to parents with young children. And it falls under the parents kids niche market, which is a very passionate niche where people like to spend a lot of money on this topic. And we also think that this product has a broad market base. Now we've seen the weighted blankets selling like crazy last winter. This alternative is lighter and can be used all year round. And finally, we think that this product has a lot of untapped potential. So far there have only been a few orders on AliExpress, so you can definitely take advantage of this. Now the selling price for the DEEPSLEEP sensory compression sheet is just under $50, whereas the product cost is only $28.84. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $21.11. Sell this now! When it comes to Facebook advertising, nothing converts better than a good viral video ad. And if you need high quality, fast and efficient video ads for your dropshipping products, Bands Off Ads is your go-to place. They will do everything for you: the video script, the video ad and the eye-catching thumbnail. Their videos have proven results time and time again, which means you'll receive a video that has high chance of converting. That's why all the big players in the industry are using their service. Use the code STN to get a 10% discount on all their packages. Click the link in the description to claim your discount. Our next product is in fact an editor's choice. It's the 22-in-1 electric screwdriver pen. Now this product is a problem solver. It's an evergreen product and it falls under the DIY tools niche market. And we all know that DIY products always sell very well. Now this product definitely has a broad market base. You can target women. They will love to use this tool since it's easier and more convenient to use than a classic screwdriver drill. And this product does different jobs. You can target them via Facebook ads. And this product will also give you a good profit margin. And the USB is rechargeable, so it's easy to use and you don't need a battery. And finally, this product is a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And we think it's perfect for a one product store. Now the selling price for the 22-in-1 electric screwdriver pen is just under $40, whereas the product cost is only $18.21. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $21.78. Sell this now! If you're looking for a proven seller on AliExpress with thousands of orders, then our next product is definitely for you. It's the water repellent film kit, 4 pieces. Now this is a definite problem solver. It has that wow effect. It's an evergreen product and it falls under the car niche market. We also think that this product has a broad market base. Now this product is not new, but it's been constantly selling since it was released, one of the biggest winners of the past 2 years. Now you'll have to sell 4 pieces to be profitable. 2 mirrors and 2 window stickers. Now the selling price for the water repellent film kit, 4 pieces, is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $4.73. Shipping will set you back $1.49, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.77. Sell this now! Our next product is the exfoliating bath sponge for babies. Now this is a definite problem solver, it's an evergreen product, and it falls under the baby kids niche market. We also think that this product has a broad market base. Now this product has been around for a while and is still selling very well online. Now you need to sell 3 or more pieces together to increase your profit margin, because you can't sell one piece for a high price. And we think that this product is perfect for a baby niche store. Finally, this product is a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the exfoliating bath sponge for babies, 3 pieces, is just under $18, whereas the product cost is only $5.67. Shipping will set you back $2.09, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $10.23. Sell this now!